Welcome back, everyone. This video is going to discuss the lesson steps of production and your final grade, how I will grade your final project once it is complete. So the first step of the project is to, as always, brainstorm or design a sketch for your final project by marking the section and layers of each piece of your artwork. So you'll think of an idea, it can be anything as long as it's appropriate for school, to draw, and you want to section different areas and label which layers they are. Once you've had that sketch and you planned how you're going to draw, cut, and paste your cardboard, then you're going to want to reserve one of the 9x12 cardboard sheets that I've given you to serve as your baseboard, and that is where you attach the different layers of your design to. So one of the 4 sheets of cardboard will be set aside, and that's what you'll build your relief up on. Then you'll draw, measure, and cut various layers of your relief to your baseboard. You're going to want at least 3 layers minimum. For your project, you're allowed to have areas that are 1 layer high, you're allowed to have areas that are 2 layers high, but you must at least have one area of your project that is stacked 3 layers high. You may use more if you wish, but 3 layers is the minimum. Lastly, once you have pasted all your layers, once the glue is dried, then you'll use oil pastels to add full color to the relief. Again, it is very important that the glue has dried, because if it hasn't and you start applying color, your pieces may shift and alter your project in a negative way because the glue did not dry and hold the layer in place. Lastly, for the final grade, I am going to be looking that you used at least 3 layers of cardboard to create the final image. I'm looking for a variety of textures and colors. Did you peel off some cardboard to show different textures? Did you create a different color for each section as you intended? Then I'm looking for an original, thoughtful, and cohesive design, something that was creative, something that was original and not an exact copy. And then lastly, the fact that you use full color using your oil pastels. And not only are you using full color, but you're demonstrating good craftsmanship by eliminating as much brown of the cardboard and having your colors as solid and smooth as possible. All right, so that's it for the lesson directions. Please keep all this in mind as you produce your project in the coming days. And also make sure you refer to the due date at the top of this video title so you know when the project is due. And now you guys can end this video and just move on to your day 1 folder so you can begin the project. All right, guys, I look forward to working with you on this project. Bye, everyone.